Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw! May adlaw ka na ito tanan. For today's video, I'm excited to unbox my manicure set that I bought through online here in Doha. Because actually, I need to clean my fingernails na. Look at my fingernails. So dirty na talaga. No, charot.
Oh my goodness!
So, that's why I decided to buy it online. I have to buy manggod kay kanang my fingernails are so dirty na, and also the tiil o diba.
Oh no!
Foot spa sad ko before na ko nalimpyuhan. And ang akong mga foot spa kuan lang, simple lang kayo. Kuan ka nang magbabadra ko sa tubig, planggana, magbutang ako sa planggana o kanang kuan asin unya baking powder ba na, or baking soda, basta unsa to, basta napalit ko ato naala sa kitchen, and along with the kuan, with the salt. So after ana, so I need to clean my kuko sa tiil, specifically dito kay lisod kayo every day I wear shoes. And then ini kuan actually something kuan balahig gyud na kanang when you reach to the office, because I will be wearing heels na, charot. I will be wearing heels na inside the office kay na mga kuan dito, mga gossipers in the other office. So I have to look presentably. Presentably. Ang hirap Tagalog English. Ay. So now let's go and let's see what's inside of the manicure set. Let's see the tools. Tadaan! This is a manicure set. I bought it online. Look at that, guys. It's because wala na ako ang mga nipper, ang akong set. Ibili na ako sa Philippines. So I decided to buy online. This is it. So, ba? Look at that, guys. Manicure set. O, diba? Manicure set, hairdressing set combination pack. So, we have here, ato sa masahon. These are the manicure tools. We have here laser file, cuticle trimmer, air cleaner, deluxe nail clipper, nail cleaner, tweezers, air cleaner, cuticle accessories. Not cuticle scissors, I'm sorry. So these are inside of these tools. I don't know asa ang nipper ani. Let me open this. Wow, this is so nice. Amazing. Sigong sa ako. Amazing. So ganun pala, the casing itself is so very nice na. Look, diba? Social lang. Kasi ginaniwan na siya pagdalaga. Wala na siya wallet. Nice guy, you know. Tara, let's open it. Pa! Wow, so yummy. Ay, okay, we have nipper here. Baka di siya lagpan. Maganda siya. Walang siya gikuan. Wala lagi pinakitang nipper diri, manicure 2 set. Kung ano lagi ang mga diri sa gawas, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, 12. I don't know what are the functions of this, because I am familiar only with a few of the tools here. This is it, guys. Look at that. It's so nice. This is the nail cutter. I don't know if this is okay. What is this? Let's try the nail cutter. Hi, good. But I have the big nail cutter. Maybe I cannot use it. So let's return it back here. Paano ba niya? Kung saan pabalik? Like this? Okay, like that. The important here is this one. The important for me. Ay, ukbande siya. Charan! Ukbande ay wala sa mukid. Then, ana siya parak. O, diba? Kuha mo kayo. Wala, basta ba ni mura man di ka nakuhaan? Ay, hait ba? Okay man akong nagkakakuhaan. Look at that. Kita niyo, guys. Do you see it? Basta man ni, oy. Habol man ni. Bulan siya. Masip ka rin siya mga freebies, no? Look. Masip nga rin siya ang freebies. So, ibalik na po siya kay muraguan. Then, this is the scissor. Look. I think ang scissor para... What is the use of scissor? What is the use of scissor in this set? Okay. Now, there is another, the big one. The big nail cutter is here. The big nail cutter. Okay, tama ba ni? Yes. We have small also, small nail cutter. Yes, it's a small nail cutter. And we have puller. We called it as puller in Philippines. Let's see. Tama ba magkuha? Oh, naki-puller. Puller, guys. Okay. My puller. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is the use of this? What is the use of this? Like this? I don't know. What is the use of this? My god. I don't know. What about this one? Okay. What about this one? What is the use? Para ana? Something like this? This one ba? I don't know. What is the use of this? Gamitin siya. I don't know. I don't know what is the use. My god. Palit-palit ka kung ano niya. What is this? There's another one. Maybe for this? Oh no. Ew! We have this. And what is this? Okay, this one is for this. I knew it. Maybe, I'm not so sure. Ano siya. So, maybe I can use this tomorrow. Yep. So, there is no reason. How many? There are 3 nail cutters. And we have nipper. We have scissor. And I don't know what are the names of these tools over here. I don't know what are the names of these tools. I am not so familiar, except the puller. Okay, so this is stainless steel. Really, I don't know what are the other functions of this. But my purpose of buying this one is this one, the nipper. But I think the nipper is not nice. I'm sorry. So that's all, guys. This is inside of this, these are the tools inside of this manicure set. But in fairness, it has a very nice, it's like a wallet. See? Okay, this is it, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, ano siya. So, sabi pa na ko ibalik nila kasi nice masad siya. Ano na lang? O, diba, bongga. So, nakita na ninyo ang akong manicure set and good luck. Good luck sa matinding laban unya kay kanang gamito na gito na ako kay baka ginhawa na jud akong tiil. O, diba? I'm so excited to use it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next unboxing. Kay I bought some other things from online shop. Bye! Have a nice day, everyone!